I am Samuel. In a very short time, I want to show to you how you can delete or remove any Facebook page you do not want anyone from your Facebook profile. Meanwhile, if you like this video, click on like and subscribe for more related videos on SAMJUST-TV on YouTube. Now, to remove any page from your Facebook profile, you have to log in to your Facebook and scroll down. You can see a lot of groups and pages that I manage here. Now, the page you want to remove, if it is not showing right now, what you need to do is just click on See More. When you click on See More, it's going to display other pages that you are managing. You can see pet says Get Pet. Now, the page I want to remove right now is Get Pet. What I have to do right now is I will click on Get Help at Get Pet. It is going to load. After loading, quickly move to your settings. If you come to the settings, after loading, just move down quickly to remove page. Remove page or edit. You can click on the edit area of the page, then come down. You will see deleting your page means that nobody will be able to see or find it again. Once you click delete, you will have 14 days to restore it in case you change your mind. After that, you will be asked to confirm whether to delete it permanently. If you choose to unpublish, instead only admins will be able to see your page. Now I'm going to click on delete Get Pet. I click on delete Get Pet. Then if I click or check this box unpublish this page, only admin will see the page. But now I want to delete it. I will click on delete page. Now after loading, you see page enter deletion mode. You can cancel the deletion mode within 14 days. Click OK. Then if you look at this page, the page has entered deletion mode. That does not mean that you will not find it again. When you try to look for it here, you will still find it. The only thing is that if you click on it, it's going to write to you at the top of the page that this page has entered deletion mode. Get Pet is scheduled to be deleted in 14 days. Now you can decide to cancel this deletion. If you decide to cancel it, for example, click on cancel deletion. Now it is going to ask you, are you sure you want to cancel the deletion of Get Pet? You have to confirm. So after loading, it's going to automatically restore the page back to the normal position. Then if you now look at it again from your home, after loading, just come here to check whether what you have done is actually right. Then click on Get Pet. So you will see that it is restored with immediate effect. Thank you.